1. These are all chosen music participants, please. Our group number 1. Well, anyway, before I introduce them, we'd like to read the criteria for judging. Talent and choreography, it's 50%. Costume is 20%. Your teamwork, 20%. Audience impact, of course, with your participation, 10%, with a total of 100%. So we're calling our group number 1 for our dance contest.
Okay, good morning! Nagkakagulo eh. Okay, we will have a dance contest, ang ating contest. Pero before we start the contest, we would like to acknowledge syempre yung mga judges natin, di ba? Para makilala nyo. Para masisi nyo mamaya. Ha? Okay, syempre acknowledge natin si Mr. Luis Sanchez. Sir? Ayan o, salsa dancer ho yan ng Endoraland. And of course, ang ating Rumba Queen, Miss Joey Tolosa. Ang ating Swing King, Mr. Raymond Abisamis. And of course, we would like to, syempre sabi nga ni Sir Cody, gusto niya manood na lang, di ba, Sir Cody? Kasi gusto niya lahat panalo pag siya nag-judge. So, we would like to ask sana one of the Eric, yung dancers to judge. At least Eric, ikaw lang bububugin pag medyo nagkamali ng judging. Okay, Eric. Palapakan naman natin si Sir Eric.
Ayan.
Okay, ito yung over na itong Mega Monica.
Yes, and of course we have also some other judges for this evening. Ayan. Aside from Eric, from PAGCOR, we'll also acknowledge the judges like Mr. Luis Sanchez, Ms. Joey Tolosa, Mr. Raymond Abisamis, and Mr. Dante Tida. Okay, for our first group, if you're prepared, ayan. Everybody excited right now? Wala pa? So,